May is known as Gaelic Nova Scotia Month, and to celebrate, Bradan Press is publishing a new children's book designed to help teach children the alphabet while also celebrating Gaelic culture. To learn more about it, we have the pleasure of welcoming the president of Bradan Press, Emily McEwan, to our program. Good morning, Emily.
Good morning. Matin va.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. And as I mentioned, Bradan Press, you specialize in publishing Gaelic books. Why is that so important to you to keep that alive?
Well, it's really it's our language and our culture, and it's an important part of Nova Scotia's linguistic and cultural heritage too. And so, that's really the driving force behind that for us.
That is so wonderful that you are doing that. Of course, like I mentioned, you have this great new children's book that you've come out with. What was the idea behind publishing the book G is for Gael?
Well, the author, Shalane Hansen, is a Dartmouth-based educator, and she saw that we have an official Gaelic curriculum now in Nova Scotia for kids and schools, and that there were not a lot of materials for that. So she wanted to create something that could be just the most basic resource for teachers as well as for students, and that would cover a lot of our main concepts, cultural concepts, and historical facts, and show why Gaelic can be shared and enjoyed by all Nova Scotians.
And we're just showing some of the illustrations from the book. It looks so cute. It looks incredible. We're seeing D is for dance here. And of course, this is the first children's book that was ever published in French, English, and Gaelic too, is that right?
That is right, at least in Canada. I think the only other books in those three languages in Europe are Tintin, the comic book, and The Little Prince. But here in Canada, this is the very first one to be published in all three languages. So we have G is for Gael, G COMME GAЕL, and G AIRSON GΑEL, and those are the three. That's the same title in all three languages.
Oh, that is so cool. And who would you say this is intended for? It's a wonderful children's book. Are there certain ages that you think would gravitate toward it more than others, and for parents who are perhaps maybe thinking about picking it up for their kids?
Yeah, it can really be used in different ways at different levels. So, for the younger kids, it can be a read aloud from a parent or an educator or caregiver. And for, I would say, like grades 2 to 5, it can be for independent reading. And as I mentioned before, the teachers can also use it as a resource. They can pull information from that to do their lessons for Gaelic Awareness Month, or Gaelic Month in Nova Scotia, which is every May.
That is such a great tool and a resource for, like you said, teachers, parents. Are there many books published in Gaelic here in Nova Scotia that people can get their hands on?
There have been over the years. Gaelic publishing is actually 180 years old. Gaelic books have been published here in Nova Scotia for a little bit longer than that. And so we're just basically adding to that. We see ourselves as carrying on that tradition. So there are some books, and we're trying to publish more children's books, basically as quickly as we can. We have, wonderful authors that we're working with, and illustrators like Etta Moffat, who illustrated all the G is for Gael books. And we're just trying to turn out more as fast as possible.
That is awesome. And if people want to get their hands on the book, where can they do so?
Well, all the bookstores. So I know we have to stay in our local areas right now, but in Dartmouth and Halifax, Tattletales in Dartmouth has it, Woozles in Halifax has it, Chapters has it in English, and they can special order the French and the Gaelic, and or you can go to our website at bradanpress.com and see other places to buy it online.
That is wonderful. Well, thank you so much for your time again here this morning, Emily. That was Bradan Press President Emily McEwan. For more information on Bradan Press and where you can find G is for Gael, you can visit our website.